Make sure you get adequate footage of me nicking every single one of these things.
Yeah, that's all right. He is a character.
Anybody wants to donate a camshaft tool, we'll take it. Nice one first.
Like a glove.
What's up, everybody? Vortex Steve. Week 5 update. A little more progress this week than the last few weeks. We've got a majority of the engine put together. We still have a handful of things left to do to the engine. Mainly find a oil pan that will work with the oil pan. We've got a high volume pump that we end up having to use because it works with our distributor. We can't use the stock one because we got all these fancy MSD boxes now.
So we got to get a bigger oil pan, right? Deeper. We have a 5-quart, right?
Yeah, we have a 5-quart, we get a 7-quart.
Perfect.
We'll end up looking cool everywhere.
Without a doubt. So today, Steven got the engine going. We got all the valves lashed, the cams installed, the heads are bolted down. We got our chromoly push rods in the block now. We're gonna order a couple more parts and hopefully get the engine wrapped up this week. Steven's been working on all the other stuff on the car, mainly the brakes, laying stuff out for wiring. We got headlights on order. What else do we have on order, Steven?
A bunch of little stuff.
Bunch of little stuff.
For wiring, which I've got a bunch of stuff laid out for wiring. We will trace back as many of the stock matches so that we can actually use the stock switches. So like the multifunction switch, the headlight switch, the hazard switch, all that stuff will work with our aftermarket junction box.
Awesome.
So we'll be able to get that going.
Keep it semi-stock, but modified.
And then I did order a switch panel, so that's going to take the place of where the radio is. So we'll have all that stuff wired in there. That'll control the ignition and all that stuff.
Very cool. We got our fuel pump, our regulator in. We still got to get fuel lines. You got some AN tools last Thursday from a gentleman on Facebook. Got a pretty strong deal there. Let's go show off what all you've done to the car. Let's go show them the brake lines. Let's go show them the brake calipers and how bad they are.
We don't have brake calipers yet.
Yeah.
Sore subject.
We ordered V8 and we're supposed to get 4-cylinder. We're not real smart. Things happen.
So apparently I just blew Aaron's mind. The top of this was pretty torn up. Dad is just walking in now. Managed to smooth this out. This looks a heck of a lot better than it did. As well as down here. So this, if everybody remembers, was all smashed in right here. The trim and everything was broken on it.
Got it all
smoothed out.
Yeah, man, it looks great. It's gonna look real nice.
Hopefully we will be getting the bumper and tail lights and all that stuff back on. So we did do basically all new brake lines. There's one line going to the passenger side brake drum that we didn't need to replace. Everything else in here has been replaced brake-wise. New hardware, new brake drums, the backing plates were sandblasted, and then we just painted them. So all that's brand new. New parking brake cables, all that stuff's new. We did get the fuel tank mounted in here. We still have to do fuel lines, but everything else is mounted in here now. So we've got that secured, and we should be good to basically put some time.
You and your dad made some adjustments to the bracket on the mount for the fuel cell. You guys widened it out, correct?
Yeah, we widened it out so that it would actually mount up with the factory poly tank supports.
Repainted the whole thing too.
Yep, shot it with some paint.
Looks really nice. You guys did a great job, dude.
And then we're gonna do the battery junction, or the battery back here. The junction box and everything's gonna be back here. Should make it real easy to service the car. All right, everybody, so that's the week 5 update. We got 32 days basically to finish this up for the race that we're going to. So we are going to take this car And we'll test it there if we have to. We'd like to test it the week before. But we are taking this to Kentucky for the Kent Rose Foundation Arm Drop Race. So come see us at the race if you want to come out. It's Combs Airport in Kentucky. And hopefully we'll have this. We'll have Aaron's GT500 there. We'll probably be competing against each other because we're going to be in the same class. But this will also be in Friday's stick class. So we'll see what we can do. But 32 days. Thanks for watching. Channel growth has been pretty entertaining to see. I know we don't put a whole lot of long videos, but there'll be a whole lot more long videos, especially once this car is close to being done for testing and tuning and all that. But thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Every subscribe helps the channel tremendously. Thank you for watching.